addict yung mga kababayan natin sa K-drama and K-pop. Pero ang talagang nilulook forward ko ay kung magugustuhan ba to ni Diwata. Diwata, thank you for coming. Thank you, thank you.
O Diwata ha, ikaw pala ang target market ni Direk. Kim, yes, how would you describe this film and how different is this from the past work that you've done with, of course, Direk Daryl and
love you, Kim Molina!
Gerald Napoles. Your Gerald Napoles daw.
Yun. May bias, Direk Rain pala yun. Kala ko pan. Thank you so much for that wonderful question. I'm just very, very excited for everyone to watch this reunion movie namin, kaming tatlo. And lagi ko nga sinasabi, well, everyone knows na reunion movie namin to ni Direk Daryl with Kim Je. Ako, in my heart also, at kami rin, kasama si Ate Candy doon. Kasi from Jowa Ball, from ang babaeng walang pakiramdam, si Ate Candy was there with us also. So, reunion namin tong apat, and I'm just very, very excited for everyone to watch this. Hi, Onlo! Hello, Diwata! Hello! Thank you so much for coming, and everyone else, all our friends, thank you for coming and for joining us tonight. Ayun po.
Yes, Jeb, please invite everyone, our friends here and outside to watch the opening day of Soulmate tomorrow.
Yes, we're opening tomorrow in over 154 cinemas nationwide. Wow, thank you, thank you. At thank you sa time niyo po na nandito kayo on a Tuesday, rush hour, di ba? It means a lot sa amin kasi syempre effort yon. So it means na gusto niyo talaga kaming masuportahan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat mula sa likod hanggang sa nasa harap. Alam ko may negosyo pa si Diwata na napaka-busy nito, 3,000 tao kumakain dito sa araw. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito at sa oras mo. Si Odlong din, ang daming pinupuntahan ko. Saan ko nakikita to eh. Minsan nasa ilalim ng tulay, minsan nasa ilog. Ganun. Do you mind? Yun nga. Ito, isa po talaga yung nawawala kanina ko. Tapos may petition sa social media kung gagawin daw ang buhay ni Diwata, pwede daw ba ako? Papayag ka ba, Diwata? Ayun, parang si Diwata may lisensya na. Anyway, pinapasaya lang po natin ng gabi. At lalo pong sasayan kasi mapapanood po natin ang pagbabalik ng trio. Of course, Kim Molina from Jowa Ball. Ako, Gerald Napoles, sa Babaeng Walang Pakiramdam. At sa 3 pelikula hanggang sa Soulmate, Daryl Yap po ang aming director.
Direct Daryl Yap, any final words?
Dagdag lang ako.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
Sa lahat po ng manonood, ayun nga po, mag-stay po kayo hanggang credits. Kasi another thing na very excited kaming tatlo, kaming apat, is because hindi lang po kami ang makikita nyo sa screen. Buong production staff po namin ay kasama sa pelikula dahil kasama po sila sa 17 minutes na kiss. Hindi po namin sila hinalikan, pero kasama po sila dun sa eksena, so abangan nyo po.
And sinabi na ni Kim yun, ngayon ko lang nakita, binabati ko lang ang aming buong production team na nandito ngayon, nanonood. Palakpakan naman natin. Nandiyan ang aming mga camera operators, sa technical staff. Nandiyan ang aming DOP, si Rain Yamson. Ayun, sa taas, single na nagmamahal. Patuloy nyo na. Ayan. Nandiyan si Mama Joel yata, nakita ko kanina with the wardrobe team. Ayun. Ay, yeah. At ang Team Class A, nangyayari ang Team Class A. Nakasama namin sa Korea. Ayun, Ate Banji. Of course, palakpakan po natin ang gumanap naming part duty. Fresh from Korea! You say something, you say something.
Mabuhay Philippines! Nice to meet you. And I'm honored to be participate direct Daryl Yaps, and it was so amazing moment for me when they came to Korea. Every moment I was so excited. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Give it up for our cast, ladies and gentlemen of Soulmate, and of course, our box office director, Direct Daryl Yap. Photo op, ladies and friends, please.